Welcome back to the Cracking ServiceNow interview channel. Inside ITOM, I was in my previous video I have covered regarding CMDB, what are the probable interview questions, and in a detailed way I will explain that. And in current I will focus more on that CSDM. If you want to know more about CMDB, just refer the previous video. And from CMDB and the mechanism, which is basically CSDM, what exactly is that CSDM and what are the important questions in CSDM, that I will going to cover in this in a brief. For the details and for the documents, you can ping me, I'll inform you, and please don't forget to subscribe. So that is the only thing which keeps me motivated, and I will provide all these contents and all in the upcoming videos. So when we tell about that CSDM, it is basically a common service data model. So common service data model is a basically framework which is defined by ServiceNow, and it's exactly there are series of steps which are defined in CSDM, like importance and its benefit, and why CSDM is coming into picture, because it is a standardization technique and it improve the data accuracy and faster the incident resolution, and how we are going for better change management. All these things are defined in that CSDM basically. So what are the key features of CSDM and how the foundation data is configured, what is the technical specification in CSDM we can say. And if interviewer is having bit knowledge regarding CSDM, then definitely these are the questions. These are the lot of questions which is going to ask, like what is the CSDM quadrants, and four definite quadrants are there. How you are going to foundation data how you are going for the foundation data, how you are going to design the thing, how you are managing the technical service, and how you are selling the thing using CSDM. All these things are defined in that CSDM versions, and there are several phases of CSDM. We can say crawl, walk, run, fly. It is nothing but we can say that we have to first train our engine in a slow manner, and after things are steadily available and readily available, so that we can say that our database is a proper way and in a running condition. We can say that crawl, walk, run, fly, that is that mechanism. So these are basically that CSDM pages and how you are maintaining that CSDM implementation. So definitely one interview question is how you have done the configuration from very scratch. What is that? How you have done the assessment, how you have done the configuration, how is the ongoing management and improvement, and finally how you have implemented the thing. So if he is asking about how is the CSDM implementation process, then you have to say that okay, there are 5 phases in which I have gone for CSDM implementation. Like first I have gone for the accessing, then implementing, then I can say I'm going for the key consideration, and then I have gone for this implementation. And all these things are informed in that CSDM implementation phases. And along with that, what is CI classes, best practice of CSDM, and what is CSDM in detail, like what are the tables involved, how it is interacting with management portfolio. All these things are defined here. And this is one of the important question, like what are the key tables of CSDM and CMDB tables. So if you are working with particularly any application service, these are the key tables. If you are working with any business service, these are the tables. So exact table name he is expecting. If you are in a 5-year experience or 10-year experience or 1-year experience, you want the exact table name, and these are particularly asked to me. That's why I prepared the document. And along with that, what is the CMDB relationships and with the CSDM, and how the asset management and CSDM coming into the picture. What are the things which CSDM is faced as an obstacle while maintaining the data quality, and finally CSDM service migration approach. What is the approach through which they are going to do. All these things are defined in this CMDB and CSDM. Thank you for this time, and keep subscribing and motivating.